In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Tradingview. Whether you're managing subscriptions or simply need to update your billing information, I'll guide you through this process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the BTC/USD demo asset page on Tradingview. You can find this by logging into your account and locating the demo asset, which provides a great way to access the platform's various features and settings. Once you're there, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a profile icon. Click on this next. This icon is your gateway to a variety of account settings and personalization options, crucial for customizing your user experience on TradingView. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Settings and Billing. By selecting this, you'll open the section where you can manage everything related to your account's payment information and subscription preferences. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area since it's essential for ensuring your account is in good standing and aligns with your financial needs. Next, within the Settings and Billing section, you should see an option that reads Subscriptions. Clicking on this allows you to view your current subscription plan. Once you're on this page, locate your current plan. Look for a pencil icon or a button that says Update Payment Method. This is what you'll click to start the process of changing your payment method. When you click to update your payment method, you'll be guided by simple on-screen instructions. You'll have the option to add a new card or connect a PayPal account. TradingView supports various payment methods, so choose the one that suits you best. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts carefully to ensure that all your information is entered correctly. Keep in mind, you might need to authenticate your new card. This could involve a small test charge, which is a common practice to verify the card's validity and your authorization to use it. Make sure to watch for any notifications from your bank or card provider to complete this step successfully. Once you've updated your payment method, you have the option to delete the old card from your account. This can be a good practice for security reasons and to prevent any accidental future charges to an account you no longer use. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your payment method on TradingView. Regularly updating your payment information is a good practice to ensure uninterrupted access to your subscribed services. Thank you for watching and happy trading.